Hello everyone, hope all are doing well. My name is Alim Shah. I work in the field of drug safety pharmacovigilance, and the aim to create these sessions or short videos just to understand or to relearn whatever we have done so far, as well as some basic concept just I am documenting here, so that whoever the beginners in the field of pharmacovigilance or clinical research, or who would like to pursue their career, or some students who can understand about this field, and whoever there in the learning curve, they can refresh themselves by looking at these videos. And I based on my experience in this field, more than a decade, so what I have understood, I am still, I can say, I am not the expert, I am just a student of pharmacovigilance. Along with you, I would like to learn and develop my skill set and everything. And I have come across in the field of PV, like the four levels of learning must be there. Level one of learning, I would like to say that a brief overview about the regulatory guidelines we should know. Example, if you take any GVP module or so first, before going into very detail about that particular guideline, regulatory guideline, for some guidelines are 50 pages, some are 100 plus, some are less than that. First, we should know about what is the synopsis, what the guideline would like to, what is the scope of this guideline, what is the objective of the guideline. That understanding getting into is level 1 understanding according to me. And level 2 of learning should be there, like each and every paragraph, each and every line of guidelines need to be read thoroughly and understand the scope behind it, and what they are trying to say, what the regulatory authority needs, what is their focus. Some of the guidelines paragraphs, some of the sections of the guidelines may not be applicable at that point of time, or may not be applicable the work what you are doing sometimes. But it is always good to read and keep it somewhere in your subconscious mind, so that whenever you come across that scenario, you could able to correlate and easily resolve some of the queries on day to day life, PV life, whenever you are coming across. So my level 2 is learning is a kind of deep learning, I would like to correlate like that, so that you could understand the guideline, and each and every paragraph or each and every page, what is the take home message. And level 3 of experience, or level 3 of learning in PV, it's like you know whatever the experience you brought in, because in the field of PV, no one work end to end. So bit and pieces, some might be working in case processing, someone might be in signal, someone might be in RMP, someone might be in the labeling, or there are someone might be in the CDM, and operations, like aggregate report operations line. There were n number of fields are there, we can't enlist everything. So that they will focus only their department, what is going around. So wherever we are working in that field, we should know about the particular guideline, and whatever the practical experience to which to which client we are working on. So whatever it is, so we should need to understand, learn the practical experience, and delivering the good quality of the report, by keeping the patient safety as a main as your objective, and you have to work. As well as I would like to recommend to go around, and in the same field, whoever works in the same department with the different project, and we can have a healthy discussion about what are all the scenarios they have come across, and what about you know what are all the challenges may be anticipated like that. Here when we are going to talk about the discussion, which we anyways we worked in this field more than more than many years. We are working more than 10 years. We might have come across many audit, we might have faced many inspection, or we know about the company policy and the client policy. By keeping that in mind, whenever we are going to talk, it could be a general talk about general challenges, how to overcome that. This could not cross the boundary of any client related or any product related information. That as a professional we should always keep it in mind. Hope everyone we are doing that. And so this could be the level 3 of learning. And level 4 of learning, I would like to say, like attending international or local conferences, and some symposium where we are attending. And it should be, I would like to correlate like level 4 of learning, like in a consulting way, where we could be develop our skill set. Whatever the department we are working, we should be always prefer to have these 4 levels of learning. And level 1, just a basic fundamental would be overview about the synapses, what this talks about. Level 2 would be a deep learning, that would give your you know principle based knowledge you should gain, each and everyone should gain. Third is the practical experience, what we have come across and what others come across, that could be gained. This is also mandatory. And level 4 would be a consulting phase, so that you can go and you can meet like like a steering committee, and any whether any company's expert working group, or attending international conferences, attending even EMA and FDA have so many healthy discussions with public and companies. So attending those kind of symposium, conferences and committee meetings, that could enrich your knowledge. So that's the only motto. And now all these trainings, whatever we are going to have in the upcoming whatever I have planned, that is just a L1 training, because whatever I have come across and whatever I have limited knowledge, I would like to document that, so that that could be a L1 learning, so that the people can, based on their interest in the field of pharmacovigilance, they can build the next steps, and so on. And I do really respect and all my seniors and my peers who were working with me, and with their knowledge and advice, some of the points are collated here. There are no points like some of the company related information, client related information, absolutely not. All are publicly available, Google information and other peers who already uploaded videos, and some of the abstract publicly available literatures. So everything is collated and have gone through. And when I come back, a small compact, because everyone can't go and read and each and every article, or go through each and everything. So everything is precisely a gist of some bulletin points. I would like to throw some light from there. Based on their interest, you can continue learning. And so this is a small step, and I need your support also to watch this video and each and every session till the end, because till the end only I will summarize the take home message. That is my way of presenting. So happy learning. And with the proverb like learn, unlearn, relearn, and always work. Instead of knowledge should be demonstrated. That proverb I usually I admire of. So whatever I'm learned, just I'm documenting. So keep learning. Happy learning. Thank you.